NUITEQ has had a very productive spring, and we're excited to share our April chorus updates. Starting with our general chorus updates, we have added the Fob I/O badge into the Connect user interface. In addition, we've also improved the login page design for Connect. So users who are accessing their ClearTouch panel and signing in using the Connect will now see this improved interface. We've also updated how students are rostered via their chorus classes. So now teachers can receive student details via an email. When rostering students for a class, students who do not have email addresses will be given an auto-generated username and password. Teachers can enable the email login credentials as a CSV file. Teachers will then receive an email from NUITEQ Chorus with the attachment of the student login credentials. We've also improved our AI assistant by allowing for dragging and dropping of images into the tags lesson activity type. For additional rostering improvements, we have made progress with ClassLink and Canvas LMS. Our poll feature now allows for all exports to be completed in one CSV file. So users who are interacting with poll, if they choose to export those student results, they have the option from the menu to export as a CSV file. That file will now display all results in one page. We've also improved filtering for our match lesson activity types within the community and improved our user sync performance. For our Symphony whiteboard updates, we now have the option where students can open directly their Symphony whiteboard when being sent via email. We've also helped teachers save time by adding the ability to duplicate whiteboard pages. So from the page switcher, there is now an icon here that will allow users to duplicate the page. When enabled, that new page appears and all of the content within that page will now be on the new page. We've also updated our thumbnail preview when sharing whiteboards to allow for teachers to easily see which whiteboards they are sharing with students. We have improved our copy-paste behavior with multiple objects. So in this example, we have these 3 little butterflies, and when I select all 3, I now have the ability to use my keyboard shortcuts to copy and then paste those objects directly onto my Symphony whiteboard. We've also improved our annotations on locked objects and enhanced our drawing tools and shape rendering. Our Shape Recognizer pen also has a new improvement that creates the shape based off of the color of the pen. So using our Shape Recognizer and selecting a color, I now have that shape color added to my Symphony whiteboard. Additionally, we have improved our calculator layout as well as our mini map when in infinite canvas. We've also added in the ability to upload MPEG videos. And for users who are uploading compatible whiteboards, we have improved the table column deletion. Those are the updates for April. We look forward to continued progress throughout the spring.